Is XRP really set for a huge move coming soon? And May the 6th. Why is this date important? A lot of people are saying this is when the announcement will come, and we'll get to see whether the SEC or XRP walk away victorious on that law case. We're going to get into all of that, as well as some Robinhood settlements and why that's important in relation to that XRP case. So if you're interested in all of that, subscribe to the channel, keep up to date with cryptocurrency, and let's get straight into it. So taking a quick look at the market, 1.18 trillion is where we sit. Another pretty flat day out there. Bitcoin hovering around 28,000. Had a nice little run last night. If you caught that, congratulations. 1868 on Ethereum. And you can see here the number 6 highest ranked cryptocurrency, XRP, currently holding 51 cents pretty well. Now, down slightly on volume, 25%, and marginally down on our market cap at $26.3 billion. But we'll take a look fully at the price in just a second, but there are some pretty interesting developments coming out of XRP right now. US Congressman Tom Emmer slams the SEC chair over crypto regulation. Now, a lot of people have been quite critical of Gary Gensler, been quite critical of the SEC in this kind of bulldozer momentum that they've got against cryptocurrency. We also see Elizabeth Warren coming out there as starting her crypto crackdown group, all of which have absolutely no idea what they're talking about. And in my opinion, all they are after is some cash. We know that it came 30 million from Kraken. We know Coinbase potentially will settle out of court with an undisclosed amount of money. And also when we talk about Robinhood, think of the figure $10 million. So right now, Gensler getting a pretty good paycheck. But what does it say in this article from Tom Emmer? Well, as we go down, we can see here, it says US Congressman Tom Emmer has laid into the chairman of the Securities and Exchange Commission, Gary Gensler, regarding the agency's regulatory acts against the crypto sector. While speaking on April 7th as a guest on popular crypto podcast Unchained, the United States Republican and House Majority Whip accused Gensler of regulating the crypto sector in bad faith. Now, if you watched my Jasmy video yesterday, you know that places like Japan are absolutely giving tax breaks. They are welcoming cryptocurrency projects and people to their ecosystem. And while ever we have the US, such as Gary Gensler, really cracking down regulation in an unnecessary manner, other countries, including the UK, where I'm from, are absolutely waiting for these projects, these exchanges, because it is a $1 trillion ecosystem. It says Tom Emmer believes that the SEC boss shares the same anti-crypto belief with billionaire Warren Buffett and has been blindly cracking down on cryptocurrency industry with neglecting the real bad industry players. And I couldn't agree more. For me, it's where we have unregulation of things like Tornado Cash and other things where people genuinely lose money in bad faith. They have no idea what they're doing. And if anything, regulation could come in to support investment, to support growing the industry, as fundamentally, this will change how our economies and the movement of money goes in the future. Now, a very interesting point Tom Emmer brings up is Gensler's open door at your own risk stance. Gensler is known for claiming an open door policy when it comes to dealing with crypto businesses and operators. However, Congressman Emmer believes this policy to be nothing more than mere words. And I think this all stems from FTX. We know that Gary Gensler was having meetings with Sam Bankman-Fried around how they could bring a more regulated and stable exchange. So we do know that Gensler can be pro-crypto. However, it absolutely comes when there is money involved and when it sits with him. It says, Gary Gensler might have an open door, but enter at your own risk, he said on the podcast, while making an example of the recent debacle between the SEC and Coinbase, a crypto exchange Emmer describes as one of the most regulatory compliant cryptocurrencies. Again, remember, traded on the stock exchange. So what else is coming? Well, Robinhood settles with the security regulators for $10 million. So here we go. Following investigation by 7 state security authorities into the company's platform breakdown in March 2020, which harmed Main Street investors, Robinhood will pay $10.2 million in fines. Now, they've been charged with neglect, disinformation and inaccurate information to customers and failing to establish a customer identification scheme that is fully designed. Now, Robinhood is slightly different than what we would expect from a normal cryptocurrency exchange. It doesn't really have backed assets as such. It's much more of a kind of trade through their platform as opposed to being able to withdraw cryptocurrency and put it into a non-custodial wallet. But it is very interesting that once again, a securities authority going after Robinhood. So that's $40.2 million in 2 exchanges that I can bring to my mind. We'll see what happens with things like Coinbase, as well as I know a number of other exchanges that the SEC are going after. So all in all, what does it mean for XRP? Well, pro-crypto lawyer and legal representative for XRP, John Deaton, has provided clarity regarding his statement about the possible end to the SEC's case on May the 6th. According to Deaton, he suggests, based on previous case and some judge Annalisa Torres, who then granted summary judgment 60 days after her decision. The term in US jurisdiction refers to a decision based on legal ruling that sets standards for the administrative and scientific of expert testimony in court. It says, given the exclusion of Doty's evidence occurred March 6, previous experience with the judge suggests another 60 days should elapse. One would expect the case to be resolved by May the 6th. So what do we expect? May the 6th, if we get it. And again, it's one of the probably hottest discussed topics right now in terms of when this is going to come out, because people genuinely believe we're going to see XRP absolutely skyrocket on the back of it. And I do generally believe we will see a big push up in the entire cryptocurrency market. If XRP is not deemed a security by the SEC, then it's going to be very difficult fundamentally to register any other cryptocurrencies as securities. So we potentially are going to see a big spike up. Now, we've a couple of things: Shanghai upgrade, Bitcoin halving, also that unlock for those ETH staking rewards. So we're going to have to really see how the market settles out. But XRP looking to break 55 cents. That's where we want to look for that next real level of support. There isn't then a great deal all the way up potentially through 60 and into 80. If we get this case in the way we think it's going to do, I think we could be seeing at least a $2 or $3 XRP very, very quickly after the case. And who knows where that one goes. I've seen $10, I've seen $20, I've even seen $5,000, but depends what we see. Let me know in the comments down below, where do you think XRP will be this time next year? I'm really interested to know your thoughts. And as ever, if you've made it all the way to the end and you like content like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We're going to bring you the latest and greatest in cryptocurrency every single day right here on the 2Bit Crypto channel. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.